Want to create or sign in your NBA ID? Then you're on the right video. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, you need to head over to your Safari. Once you're in the space in the address bar, you have to paste this link or simply search for nba.com. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on the official page of NBA. Click on accept all or reject. Once done, you need to click on sign in at the top right corner of the screen. And then click on sign in with NBA ID. In order for you to create or sign in into your account, first of all, enter the email address. Enter the active email address where you will be able to receive the verification code. Once done, click on continue. Now you will need to create a password for your NBA account. Simply enter the strong password according to them. Once you have entered, now simply enter your first name and also your last name. Once done, select your birth date. Select the birth month and also year. Once done, you should also choose the country. After that, click on this checkbox and click on create account. Wait for a while for it to load. And there you go, your NBA account has been created successfully. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.